Today we are in Palmoli, a small village situated at just 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, with all kinds of basic facilities like small grocery stores, restaurants, shops, cafes, bars. And here we are in the historic center of the village. And this is a small townhouse with 2 bedrooms and 2 habitable units. And here we have a beautiful view on the Maiella mountain and the surrounding hills. This is the main entrance, where we immediately find the kitchen with a fireplace. Proceeding, we find a living room. And a small bathroom. And this way there is a anteroom with access to the roof and the bedroom with original cotto tiles. And under this lovely arch we find the other small habitable unit that can become a self-contained apartment. Here it is possible to install a kitchen. This way we have a full bathroom with shower. And here there is the bedroom. The house, of course, is in need of some maintenance work and light internal works. It has electricity and water connected. Gas is not connected at the moment, so the house doesn't avail of central heating system, and it's on the market for 28,000 euros.